Hey guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the Coupon Cam. We are going in Dollar General to do our Do Now deals. Guys, first of all, happy Easter. Second of all, if you don't celebrate Easter, then happy Sunday, and let's get the couponing. Okay guys, the first deal we're going to get to, you're going to come in the detergent aisle. You're going to come to the Cascade. You need to pick up the 7 count. It is not the 9. It is specifically the 7 count. Pick that up. In these cases, guys, scan the product, not the bar on the okay, it's $4.75. And look at that, guys. We have a $4 off coupon, making that 75 cents. They are trying to get rid of these Cascades. Grab that deal. It is hot and it is not a glitch. Okay, and the next deal over here that you're going to look at is going to be on the Ajax. Now, if you look at that, it's buy 2, get 1 free. You can buy 2 of any one of these things, you get 1 free. Now, the Ajax is $4. If you came in, this was all early activated. You could have picked up a palm olive for $3.50, 2 palm olives, and then you could have picked this Ajax up at $4. You put the Ajax up first, and then the 2 palm olives, so it could take the $4 off. Now that's an old system. A new system, I don't know if it still works like that. Okay, but hey, it's all worth a try. Next in the detergent aisle, you're going to go to the Arm & Hammer right here. Now, this is the 35 low. It's at $5. When we have these high value coupons, scan the product. Okay, it's $5 right here. And you have a $2 off coupon, making that $3. Awesome. Okay, guys, you're going to come right here. Now, I'm on an end cap right here. See this? End cap. I found one Purex 4-in-1, 29 loads. It has a white top on it. All right, scan that. And that is $3.75, and you have a $1.25 off coupon. Makes it $2.50. Okay. Now, make sure you scan every product. Don't just pick up a Purex because all of them do not match. Okay. Here's the deal with the all detergent. Now, the one that's $12, we're gonna scan that one. Remember, scan the product if you can. It's $12. It has 2 coupons. Now let me tell you why I'm showing you this coupon in this sequence. If I'm picking this up, it's $12. I'm going to use the $3 cash back first. Then I'm going to take the $3 that I earned on the cash back, and I'm going to use the $2 coupon next. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use the $3 to buy it with and get my $3 cash back, and then I'm going to take that $3 cash back, and I'm going to hit that $2 coupon. I'm going to get $2 off, making that $10, and then I'm going to use the $3 cash back to lower it down to $7. Okay, so that's why I hit that coupon in that order. All right, now if you are one of those lucky people that got hold to the coupons for the Gain and the Tide with the doubles on them, please use them. I did not get them, and I don't know if Illinois is not getting them or my account is not getting them. Okay, also that Tide Tango coupon, that Gain Tango coupon came back, and here it is at $4.50. They do not have any. $4.50, and then you have that $2.50 off. But you know what I've been learning, guys? Claim that coupon because it'll get hot, and if you don't claim it, they'll just take it away. Okay, but let me tell you what you could do. Check the end caps, because a lot of the end caps have been having those items that's rare on the ends. Okay, now another deal that we have that I bragged about, and you know it's my favorite, guys, whenever I can grab these right here. Now this is the Gain Rinse and Renew, and I have not tried that one. The Tide is my favorite, $6.95. Okay, and I do have, that's the 5 off of 30, so I'm not going to worry about that coupon. But let me see if I got my Tide coupon, because if I got the Tide, I'm going to grab the Tide. $6.95, and I got that $2 coupon, and look at that, they made it a Dollar General coupon, so you need to cover that coupon, remember that, and claim it. Now, along with that Purex coupon came the Snuggle right here, and I don't use dryer sheets, $3.75, And here you got that $1.25 coupon. Then you got a 75-cent cashback coupon. Both of those are manufactured, so you have to pick the one you want, just like we did with the All detergent. Okay, making that $2.50. And I do not use this in my dryer because I have that HE dryer and it messes with the sensor, so that's why I don't use it. You all know my fave is here, the Snuggle, right? This is my favorite of all time. It is $3.75. That also has that $1.75 off coupon, all right? That $1.25 coupon, I'm sorry. Oh, now that's the Snuggle. Look at that. I didn't even get it on here. Oh, wrong thing is scanned. Let's see. Okay. $3.75, and it keeps scanning the wrong thing. So I will not mess with that. That's why it's important to scan your coupons in the store. Okay. Now these are also a part of that Ajax deal, buy two get one free. All right. So there's the Suavitel, $4, and then when you buy two, you can get one free. Let's get to the next deal. If your store still have any more of the Airwick warmers, they're $4. We have two coupons now for that, so that makes for an awesome deal. Now remember, they're not giving it completely free. They tax the freebie. So in my state, I'll be paying $3.88. I'll get $3.88 off. They're going to make me pay 12 cents for each one of these, but that's our freebie. And Dollar General gave us a deal off on their disinfectant bleaches at $4.50. They gave us a $1 coupon, making it $3.50. That's awesome. Hey, any bleach is great bleach to me. And don't forget, also a part of that deal is the Fabuloso, buy two get one free. Now I probably would go for the Fabuloso, buy two get one free, only because I love it. I love the watermelon one and the lemon one. Okay, we also have this deal right here on the Colgate toothbrushes at $5 right here. Little weird toothbrush, shaped weird. Pardon the noise, everybody's excited about the coupons in here. They're at $5. We have two coupons. One of those coupons is for $4 off, making that toothbrush $1. But see this, I clipped that before they gave us that, so I would have to buy two toothbrushes, okay, in order for me to get that $4 off discount, which will look for 5 off 25 for that. Okay, the deodorant right here, the Speed Stick, is $2.75. I'm trying to overtalk them guys because they are super loud up in the store. It's $2.75. Then you have $8 off coupon, but it also attaches to the 3-pack of Speed Stick, pack of Irish Spring. Another thing, that this Garnier Fructis is at $4.50. A lot of people got two coupons to their account. I'm going to wait until Monday to see if my second coupon loaded, because it did not load. Here it is right here, $3.50, and I only had one coupon. One should have been a Dollar General coupon. I didn't get that as of yet. The hot buy coupon that we got was the Axe detergent, the Axe body one. I'm going to scan it. And when I scan it, it's at $5.50, and we have a $5 off two coupon, making you pay 50 cents for one of those. That's awesome. And then the Irish Spring 3-count right here is $3.25, and when I scan it, it shows me that it's $3.25, and that dollar coupon attached, making that $1.25 for $2.25 for that Irish Spring 3-count bar soap. It's an awesome deal. You guys, you see the Armor IV right here. When I scan it, it's $2.50. Guess what? They're giving you a $2 off, making those just 50 cents each, and you could do it up to 5 times. Now, this is a manufacturer coupon, so you can use this with your 5 off 25, or make you $10 and then use your $10 on your 5 off 25 coming up, okay? That's an awesome deal right there. Don't let that pass you up. Claim that coupon, because they will take it away if it get used too much. Hey guys, the Hot Pockets right here are 4 for $10. Right here, 4 for $10. Right there, or $2.50. Look at that. That's an instant coupon. So it was already early activated yesterday after 7 p.m. Okay, that is what I told you guys. Any instance, they might early activate, and you have to grab them while you can. The next hot deal that's coming up, guys, is on the Pepsis. Now watch it, because some of these Pepsis do not match them. Okay, like some don't match. Okay, now these are 5 for $5. When we look at that, $2.75 each. You save $4 when you buy one Pepsi beverage and one Frito-Lay beverage. Hit that, and then you have a 5 for $5. So, and make sure you scan, because some of these products tell you that they scan for that product, but in the writing it does not work, okay? So make sure you pay attention to that. That is a must. I know it is some deals that I missed, guys, so you have to, I'm waiting for mine to load, okay? Now, another one deal I missed, I know it's the Maybelline, buy one, get one 50% off, or the CoverGirl, I believe, CoverGirl. And then they have a high value coupon making 2 of those for $3. So make sure you look for that. Now, I'm back here staring at the clearance aisle because whenever I have high value coupons, I do come back here to the clearance aisle to see what is on clearance and what is a cheaper price. But look at all this. We got a clearance coming up on the, I believe, 5/16 to 5/18 or something like that. Look at all these goodies I got to go on. Oh my God, I'm gonna rack up. I'll probably go to work late that day. I will. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account because we don't gatekeep. Bye.